Good morning. Another day in the life of the Grimwards. Leslie and I have a nice daunting task for today. This is going to be a little different than what you're normally seeing. But so over Christmas break, Anthony, our son, hit a deer. So going back to our other video about my past history and my abilities, we are going to now turn the Pilot that has a dent in the door, needs a fender, needs a bumper. We're going to take this thing all apart, get it ready for paint in the next 2 days, and then hopefully Monday morning we'll be driving over to the paint shop. So today will be a little, there won't be probably any splitting wood, driving tractors, but this will be the, which I always joke, this is Mike's hair care and auto body. So today will be the auto body side of it. So we'll just get you a little peek on what goes into getting a car ready to paint, fixing it, as far as changing panels out, sanding, really going through a little bit. We'll kind of speed through a lot of it, but it just, you know, things, and I'm going to do this all at home with hand tools, more or less. But anyway, all right, so that's what you're going to see, so stick around. It's going to be exciting. I'm so excited.
Grimwards in the garage.
Can you tell how excited I am?
All right, as the Grimwards are in the garage, here are a few things that are going to get done. As you can see, the dent here. We're going to be putting some new lights in. Those are really cloudy. Really cloudy. And then down the side here, the deer had hit back here as well, so the door has to be fixed. So basically this whole side, right here, and some new headlights coming. got many pieces off at this point.
Plus, try our new restaurant faves that taste like your favorite restaurant portion with half the calories. Beef and bean burritos, toasted ravioli, sesame beef and broccoli. Easy to prepare and made in minutes. With Nutrisystem for Men, get your breakfast, lunches, dinners, and snacks all delivered right to your door. Just go to Nutrisystem.com/fast right now and get 50% off. You heard me right. Go to
All right, so pulled out the metal, worked the metal, thin coat of Bondo, as you can see. You can almost see through it in a bunch of places. We also fixed a couple other dings, dents, molding, door dings. So this whole side is going to get painted when we're all done. And Anthony is now fixing the rear door molding that was there, and he's doing the same thing. He's getting that. It's going to be all sanded smooth, and we'll put some primer on it, and we'll primer all this, most of this rear door and into this quarter panel. And then tomorrow will be a whole day of sanding. So now we're going to get into, we're going to take the door panels off, front and rear door, because we got to get the handles, both the handles out, belt moldings, mirror, and then we'll get this thing, this will be ready to start. Then we'll start taping it up to prime it in a little bit. So we'll come back when we're ready to prime.